How to make your Discord account always active. If you want to make your Discord account active 24/7, this is how you do it. First of all, just head over to discord.com/app, or you could just directly open up the app if you have it. And once you land on this page, you can click on your profile name at the bottom left. So here you have an option to change your status. If you click on it, you can set this to online, ideal, do not disturb, or invisible. So if you set this to online, you will be shown that you're active whenever you open up your Discord. But in this case, what you're going to do next is tap on the settings menu right here. And then from here, you're going to find Windows settings. You can find the Windows settings on the app version. And there you will find a settings called minimize to tray. What it does is it won't completely cut off Discord and close it, but it will keep Discord open in the background, which will ensure that your active status is always on. And that's how you always stay active on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.